did I ever do to deserve this? I gave you my heart. I sacrificed everything just for you. But yet you chose to pay me back this way. I did everything you asked me to do. I did everything. Why did you do this to me? You broke my heart. You broke my heart so deeply. It's not your fault. I fell so deeply in love with you. If I had paid attention to the words of my mom, I would have been in this mess now. You know, what did I do? What did I ever do? But it's fine. It's fine. You don't deserve a drop of my tears. You don't deserve it at all. I promise you one thing. I will get out of this very strong. Very, very strong. I know it's not going to be easy, but I will escape through.